Welcome to Life XP Boost. Here, we share life hacks and self-improvement tips to help you level up. If you want to transform your life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's embark on this journey of personal growth together.
And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like it. So, let's start the video.
Changing segment, okay? So stay attentive and listen. Whatever I say in my sessions, I also share it outside because my time is very important, all right? I coach international CEOs one-on-one in America, Australia, India, Pakistan, people running billion-dollar industries. So this is very important. Now, the story Hamza just told, it was fabulous. But we need to understand how that kind of story happens. How many of you want to become a brand? Yes, to become a brand. What does it mean? What actually is a brand? Is it a name, a product, a logo? What is it? I want you to participate. If you're here, then participate. Allah will ask each one of us one day, what did you come here for? Just to look at your mobile phones, how many people think a logo is a brand? Some think yes, a logo is a brand. But what else? When we say brand, what comes to mind first? A name, then quality. Think about Hamza's story. What stood out? Quality, identity. Identity is the key word, my child. When you think of Coke or Pepsi, you feel differently about each, right? Coke might feel trendy, a little bitter. Pepsi might be a bit sweeter. That's branding. Both give off different feelings. There's a man called Marty Neumeier. If you don't know the name, write it down, read his books. He's the guy who designed logos and campaigns for global brands. Do you know how much he charges for just one logo, just one? He's the real deal. So, what everyone else is doing, you don't need to do that. That's not what builds a brand. Everyone's jumping into IT, so I should too? That's the biggest failure mindset. You have to work on your identity. I don't know what presentation I brought here, but I feel something else needs to be said today. What is personal branding? Have you heard this term before? This is the missing link today. First, there were industries, then corporations. People made billions. But now it's about personal branding. Entrepreneur is a French word. We need to decode this. Only then will we understand. A personal brand is like the Eiffel Tower. It doesn't do anything. It just stands. But around it, restaurants, businesses, tourist hubs are built just because it's there. People say, my office is near the Eiffel Tower, or my restaurant is right below the Eiffel Tower. They associate with it. So, train yourself to become an Eiffel Tower. Once you become that, money will be attracted to you. That's the process. I coach CEOs. Let me tell you a story about a young woman from Faisalabad, around 25 or 30 years old. She's a CEO making millions. She contacted me. She said, "Sir, I reached out because I want to learn emotional intelligence." Now here's where spirituality comes in. And no, spirituality doesn't mean becoming a cleric. It's beyond religion. It's when your eyes open to the little things. When you start noticing the smallest details. She said, I wanted to learn emotional intelligence, but after coming to you, I realized my real disconnection was with God. After 7 sessions, her stress, anxiety, and depression levels dropped. And when those drop, Your decision-making improves. When decisions improve, planning improves. You start to foresee things. You realize your value. Allah created you uniquely. Every face is different. Why? Because He wanted to show how incredible He is. When Iqbal says, "Say He is Allah, the One," He's not only talking about God, He's telling you, just like God is one, you are also one of a kind. How many of you truly believe you are one of a kind? If you did, my child, you wouldn't sit still. You'd be on fire. Most people today have basic goals. Get a good job, buy a car, build a house, get married. That's it. That's our downfall. Your goal should be universal. You should ask yourself, how would I like to serve the universe? When you think like that, your brand grows. Whether you're a doctor, engineer, businessman, your goal should serve humanity. Examples of universal brands. Do you remember Einstein? Of course. He's long gone, but remembered. Sir Ganga Ram? Remembered. He made a deal with God. He said, "Whatever I earn, I'll donate 10-20% back." And money just kept flowing in. Much of the prime real estate today, Sir Ganga Ram bought and donated. Research it. That's the power of a universal goal. Same with Abdul Sattar Eddy. Did he walk around markets and find clothes? No. But his name is in the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest ambulance network. He had a mindset that changed the world, so write this down. How would I like to serve the universe? This question will transform your life. Create a 24-hour timetable, not just a few hours. You'll feel ashamed at how much time you waste. Some people sleep 10 hours and say, "I'm still tired." Are you here on earth just to sleep? Personal. Branding requires spiritual energy. I've worked with Westerners, and let me tell you, many of them are highly spiritual, even if not religious. They're double PhDs running massive businesses, and yet humble. We get a little money and start acting like kings. That's not personal branding. That's ego. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH's brand strategy. No one talks about it, but he was the greatest strategist. He created brands from people. Abu Bakr, the brand Siddiq, the truthful. Umar, the brand Farouk, the differentiator. Ali, strong and loyal from the beginning. Their identities were channeled, not suppressed. And the result? They transformed the world. I'm working with an international group, Jews, Christians, Muslims, top people in the world. We're building a spiritual brand. We're exploring how to heal the universe. It's a big concept, maybe beyond grasp for now. But remember, you hold that power within you as a brand. So, become the Eiffel Tower. Build a personal brand. Serve the universe. Connect with your creator. Train your inner self. This will change your life.